Tired of missing important WhatsApp calls because your iPhone just won't ring? Let's get those calls ringing again in under 90 seconds. First, open your iPhone settings app. We need to check your notification settings for WhatsApp. Scroll down and tap on notifications, then find and select WhatsApp. Make sure the allow notifications toggle is switched on if it's already on. Toggle it off and then back on again. This can sometimes reset things. Next, ensure that sounds is enabled. You should also see a preview of the notification sound. Make sure it's not set to none. Now, back in the main settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that Background App Refresh is turned on for WhatsApp. This allows WhatsApp to check for calls even when you're not actively using the app. Okay, let's check Do Not Disturb. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Make sure the Do Not Disturb icon, the crescent moon, is not highlighted. If it is, tap it to turn it off. Next, let's check Focus Mode settings by going back into your iPhone settings app. Tap on Focus. Then ensure that none of your custom focus modes are active and blocking WhatsApp calls. Finally, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi connection, or try switching to cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. As a last resort, check the App Store for WhatsApp updates and ensure you're running the latest version. And that's it. With these steps, your WhatsApp calls should be ringing on your iPhone again. If you're still having trouble, consider restarting your iPhone or contacting WhatsApp support. Good luck.